Remove makeup and clean the treatment area. Wet makeup cotton with blackhead export liquid and apply on treatment area and T-zone in particular for 5 to 8 minutes. Select tip D240 on chin, forehead, and nose and treat accordingly for 8 to 10 minutes. Use slide and twist technique. Switch to different tips and adjust the suction level subjecting to the customer's comfort level. Select tip D200 on nasolabial folds to target blackheads around the nose. Switch to D180 to lift the treatment area for 3 to 5 minutes. Lift from chin to forehead in parallel lines. Adjust to mild suction level to avoid fatigue. Switch to glass tube to double cleanse. Use the flat tube on the forehead. There's a tiny hole in the tube. Cover the hole with your index finger to start and remove your finger to end the treatment. Use slide technique and adjust suction accordingly. Use the long tube on nose area. Use the curved tube on chin and cheeks. Clean the treatment area. Fill in the spray bottle with purified water. Start from chin and move in circular motions to cover the whole face 2 times. Apply ultrasonic hydrating serum evenly in circles on the treatment area, covering from chin to forehead. Drip serum while moving the probe around. Apply sheet mask with LED phantom treatment. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and LED phantom device, clean the treatment area. Carry on with your regular skincare routine.